Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's layers panel. To open up the layers panel, you can simply click on your page and you can go to the top toolbar and select position, or quickest way to do this is two-finger click on your mouse pad and open up layer, and down at the bottom select show layers. Here this shows all the items in this design. All items can be called elements, and these include image, text, shapes, or objects used in this design. To reorder layers, simply hold down on either one and drag and drop, and you can place it wherever you want a layer to be. Now in viewing elements, you can simply click anywhere here in the layers panel, and here it will be highlighted on your page to say which layer is being selected. You can either lock a layer in place. Here the elephant is selected, and you can go and select the lock icon here to lock the position only, or you can two-finger click and select lock from here as well. Staying here in the left panel, you can switch over from all to overlapping, and you can see what layers are actually overlapping in this design. But that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.